everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, your 1% listing realtor in Tampa Bay, Florida. I have a new listing in South Tampa and I can't wait to share it with you. This charming 3-bedroom, 1-bath home in the Anita community in South Tampa is full of potential. Sitting on an oversized tree-lined lot, it offers privacy, space, and a perfect backyard. It's ready for pets, parties, and even a pool. The location can't be beat. It's just minutes from MacDill Air Force Base, Gandy Boulevard, West Shore, Hyde Park, downtown Tampa, St. Petersburg, the airports, and the Florida beaches. This home perfectly combines charm, upgrades, and offers room to grow. Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at listforlessflorida.com or vivianresnick.com. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.